Hey, what's up guys? Today I have another unboxing of the iPhone 11. This time it's going to be in the yellow color. The iPhone 11 is of course the successor to last year's iPhone XR. It features the same 6.1-inch Liquid Retina LCD display, but this year we get two cameras instead of last year's one. So now we get the regular wide-angle lens as well as an ultra-wide. Usually when Apple does two cameras, the other one is a telephoto lens, but this year they've done an ultra-wide. And the iPhone 11 Pro and the Pro Max are the ones that get the three-camera system. So the three cameras, you get the same wide and ultra-wide, but you also get the telephoto lens. They've also centered the Apple logo instead of it being in the upper region. They have also removed the iPhone branding that's been present on iPhones past. The iPhone 11 also has many color choices just like the iPhone XR. This year they've replaced blue and coral with purple and green. So I have the yellow model here to take a look at today. I also made a video about the purple model if you want to go check it out right up there. And this year all the colors are slightly toned down, so they're not as vibrant. They're more of a pastel type color this year, so it's very light. And of course, just like any other iPhone box, you've got the color matching text and Apple logo on each side. And you've got a picture of the phone that is embossed. This year we get an image of the back. And on the back of the box, you just get your normal information about what's included in the box and your storage capacity. So let's go ahead and tear it open. There's a little pull tab right here. And the box slides right out. So lifting up the lid, we get the iPhone in its tray. There's a little pull tab right here we can use. This year they've only covered the front of the phone, so the plastic only covers the front. There's no cover for the back, so when you're touching it, you're touching the glass directly, so there's nothing to remove. So that's pretty nice since Apple's reducing their carbon footprint by using less plastic. Let's go ahead and boot that up. So we get the usual paperwork such as our quick start guide, SIM injection tool, regulatory information, and of course our Apple stickers. They are white, not color matched like you see on some other Apple products such as the Mac. We get our earpods with lightning connector, no adapter. We get our 5-watt charging brick. This is the slow charger. Although the iPhone does support fast charging, you do get the 18-watt adapter with the iPhone 11 Pro. And of course we get our standard lightning connector to the USB Type A. So let's go ahead and set up the phone. So you just need to press the screen, set up our language, country. I'm going to go ahead and set this one up manually, but you can also use the quick start feature. The iPhone 11 got the same 720p Liquid Retina 6.1-inch display, but honestly no one's going to notice that it's not even full HD. It's a very sharp display, and Apple's been really good at making these LCD displays for a while now, so anyone upgrading from even an iPhone X won't notice the sharpness of the display. Honestly, this phone is really meant for people who are upgrading from, say, an iPhone 6, 7, or maybe even an 8. And for those people, this phone is really good. So taking a look at that yellow color, it's very light in video. It looks almost like a highlighter color on the camera, but it's almost sort of a banana color in real life. I have the old iPhone 8 gold color right here, so you can see the color difference. It's still more vibrant than the dull tone of the old gold color, but it still is very flashy and noticeable. The sides of the phone, it's a nice yellow color. It's not gold, if you were wondering. Apple's done a better job this year matching the aluminum frame color to the glass. Last year it seemed a little mismatched in my opinion, especially for the iPhone XR in yellow. It was almost like it had a gold frame, but a yellow glass back, so that didn't really make sense. But this year, I feel like Apple's improved on the color consistency. And with the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro or any other Apple device that you purchase this year, you're going to get free Apple TV Plus for 1 year. You're going to get a free subscription for that. So other than that, the other new feature with the iPhone 11 are the cameras, of course. So you get a dual camera system on the iPhone this year. So instead of years past, you got a wide-angle camera and a telephoto camera. But this year you're getting a wide angle, but the new lens is the ultra wide angle. You can still get the telephoto lens on the iPhone 11 Pro and the Pro Max. That's what the third lens is on that phone. So gone is the telephoto lens from the dual camera system on the iPhone 11. On the iPhone 11, you're going to get a glossy back glass finish, and the camera square is a matte finish. This is opposite of what's on the iPhone 11 Pro and the Pro Max, where you get the matte glass finish along with a glossy camera square. And a really nice design feature is that this camera square is milled from the same piece of glass. So there's no separate camera lens bump that you're going to get, like on the other iPhones. There is still a camera hump, you can feel it, but it's all the same piece of glass, so that's a really nice feature. There's no more metal rings surrounding it. Going into the still section of the wallpapers, you do get all the stock wallpapers that come with iOS 13, as well as the ones that came with previous versions of iOS. So going into the live wallpaper section, you do get all the 6 wallpapers that come with the 6 variants of the iPhone 11. So this one over here is the wallpaper that comes with the white phone. So you can set which color you want for your phone. And of course, they do have light and dark mode capabilities. So if you have any other questions regarding the iPhone 11 or any iPhone for that matter, leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to answer it. So, thanks for watching, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.